Okay guys, now this is still the same setup like what we did initially, but the difference now is that instead of the push button I used to send signal to energize this relay, now I have a retroreflective sensor, a photocell. I have this sensor to do that for me. So just like I told you guys, what we just need is the relay itself is an electromagnetic switch. So what we just need is just something to send a signal, to pass signal to the coil of the relay, and it energized. The initial video I used push button, normally open push button, but now I'm using a sensor. So this is the sensor now. This is the positive terminal of the sensor. This tiny yellow cable, that's where we connect the positive 24 volts. Then this white is for the 0 volts. For current, it needs 24 volts and 0 volt for current to flow through the sensor. Then this black cable is the feedback of the sensor. So I just attach my red cable that goes to the A1 of my relay, so that when the sensor has sensed, these two will send supply to the sensor. After it has sensed an object, it sends its feedback. But the feedback, where is it going to? I want the feedback to go to the coil of my relay to energize it. So this sensor now will do the switching for us. So let's power it up and see how it works. So as we can see now, this sensor, as you can see, this sensor, you can see the light here, is seeing the reflector now. So we can see our relay. Our relay is not energized. It's only the normally close contact that is on. But whenever anything comes in between this sensor and the reflector, when it is blocked, if it's not seeing its reflector, or if I take the reflector away, that's when the sensor sends feedback to the relay. So now you can see the relay is energized, and the normally open contact has become closed, while the normally closed contact has become open. So you can use this instead of, you can have this at the end, at your entrance. You can have this relay, so that whenever you pass, whenever anything blocks the sensor and its reflector, it will send a feedback to switch something to happen automatically. So instead of, we are using lamp here, instead of sending feedback to a lamp, this could be to a door to open automatically. This could be for a shower to start working automatically. This could be for anything. It could be for your AC to start working. This load could be anything. You understand? This is just a demonstration of how a relay works. We are switching the relay now with a sensor. So this is it. If I put my reflector on it, if anything blocks it, or if I take the reflector away, it switches. It sends feedback and it switches. This is the reflector now. You can see. If you take it away, it remains energized in that position. So this explains how a sensor works. Also explains how a relay works together. So this is it. This is it with reflector. You take it away. Put it. You take it away. Switches. Thank you.